Okay, don't spray that.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Issa. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to show you 5 of my favorite songs to listen to while I'm cleaning my house. Okay. This is the Christmas version, so if you guys want to get your holidays on, just keep on watching. I wanted to mention that my face is done up. I have really nice clothes, except for these leggings. It's all for you guys. I normally clean in my pajamas. So, let's get to it. Bye-bye.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun.
Out of all the reindeers, you run, run, Rudolph. Randolph ain't too far behind. Run, run, Rudolph. Santa's got.
Okay, so that was my top 5 Christmas songs that I like to listen to while I'm cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I broke out in a sweat because, you know, I got down and dirty. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Those songs that I'll have them in the description below. Hey, why are you shy? They're not here. Hey, what's up, guys?